Welcome to Session 13, One-Step and Two-Step Linear Equations. Solving an equation means finding every value that makes its two sides equal. The balance principle explains the process. Applying the same valid operation to both sides preserves equality. Inverse operations then undo the steps around the variable. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Solve one-step equations with all four operations. Solve two-step equations with signed and decimal coefficients. Check solutions by substitution. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, an equation stays balanced when both sides receive the same operation. Inverse operations isolate the variable. Substitution into the original equation verifies a solution. Worked, example 1. Solve x plus 7 equals 19. Subtract 7 from both sides to preserve balance. The solution is x equals 12. Check. 12 plus 7 equals 19. Worked, example 2. Solve 5x equals 45. Divide both sides by 5. The solution is x equals 9. Check. 5 times 9 equals 45. Worked, example 3. Solve 3x minus 8 equals 25. Add 8 to both sides to get 3x equals 33, then divide by 3. The solution is 11. Check. 3 times 11 minus 8 equals 25. Watch for this common error, moving a term across the equal sign without explaining the operation. Correction. Apply the same inverse operation to both sides and record the balance. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Model equality, reverse operations in a controlled order, and prove the solution by substitution into the original equation. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.